Hey, Olivia here. Today I'm going to be making these adorable yarn wrapped pumpkin. This is actually part of a playlist, so you can check down in the description below for more fun pumpkin crafts. All right, let's get started. So I've got my pool noodle here and I've put it on a cutting board because I'm actually going to cut it using a serrated knife to start. You can also use a pair of scissors, but this works pretty well. So I'm just going to take a nice little slice off here. Right, now that I have my piece of noodle, it's still pretty square, so I'm going to round it up and make it a little more pumpkin shaped with my scissors. So I'm just going to start cutting away the edge. Doesn't need to be perfect, but I want it to be nice and round at the top, so I'm cutting some bigger chunks out. And now for the yarn. So I used this lovely roving yarn, and I found it was easiest to work in smaller pieces. So I cut off and worked about 10 feet at a time. So I just pulled that off and then started wrapping. So I found the easiest way was to just kind of insert it first and then hold down that edge. So I would kind of stuff the yarn string and then use my finger like a hook and pull it out the other end to bring it around, and then I would just keep doing that. If you put it over itself and hold it tight, then you actually can get away without using any sort of glue or tape, but you can still use it if you'd like. So when I get a decent number of wraps on there, I will stop and sort of push them together to make sure the noodle is fully covered. To start a new piece, I found the easiest way was to take like a scissors or a chopstick or a pencil or whatever and just kind of tuck the yarn into the previous wraps and keep wrapping. Now I've got this guy completely covered, so I'm just going to tuck the end in, and then I can add the stem. So I cut off a piece of a stick for the stem. I just push it down into that hole that's left, and it just sits in there really nice and snug. If you like, you can use glue or something, but I found this worked perfectly just as is. And there you have it, a cute little yarn wrapped pumpkin, not a lot of supplies, not difficult to do, not expensive, a really great craft. And there we are. Didn't these turn out cute? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for future craft videos. Thanks for watching, bye!